You know what else would suck is if you live near a place that is frequented by
hobos.
No, not hobos. Well, I mean, but no, 18-wheelers that use the J brake.
Oh, God.
Oh yeah.
I hate that sound.
It's like my dad snoring.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I cannot stand that. So that's the it's or it's like really, really loud. Oh my God! Hold on.
Go through it.
And then here's the long one. Oh, who put that in there? Hang on. Oh, you were doing that? Oh, I thought. God, this is bringing back memories.
And Preston, it wasn't as if there'd just be one alarm going off. There'd be multiple alarms going off, and they'd all be at different points in their cycle.
Mm-hmm. And they became so commonplace that nobody even looked twice when the alarm was going off.
And I think that's why they eventually just stopped using them.
Yeah.
We could put together a Preston and Steve sound effect car alarm.
Are you kidding me? Absolutely, we could. We have enough of them. No, wait, hold on. What are some? We need to do that.
Well,
we need to do a series of them. But I don't know if you have them all on the same page. Case, pull up the hotkeys here.
Jesus.
Here we go. Power! No.
Power! Power! Power!
That's the first part in the Viper, right? So pituation, and then.
God.